Got this one up for sale. Interested, hit me up on IG. What's good, fam? Welcome back to the Russell Muscle YouTube channel. Getting ready to head down to Tampa, Florida to pick up a new whip. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Made it down here to St. Petersburg, Florida. Nasty scat pack right here. We got a dealership open in about 45 minutes, so I'll let y'all in.
My car just locked. So
Got the key on it.
whenever I get out of the whip.
Some demon wheels. 2016. Little Honda wrap on it. Nitto tires. That's nice too. Yeah, this thing nasty. But I don't really see nothing else out here, so next clip y'all will be seeing the car came down here to get.
Cameron Brown at Bird Smith BMW in St. Pete, Florida. You can give me a call.
Excellent business, professional. So y'all come out here and check them out. You're looking for a BMW. They got a lot of nice pre-owned cars too. First driving a Hellcat, about to leave the dealership. Loving this interior. SRT light up. You got the Hellcat to the right, RT to the left. I'm gonna do another vid in the daytime while I'm comparing them, but just let y'all see the difference in the lights at night. It's 2018, so you see the Hellcat logo. Got it on both sides. Gotta clean them out. These the bland headlights. These some dope headlights. I haven't had an issue out of the bland headlights or the tail lights since I put them on. Hellcat tail lights. Aftermarket tail lights. It's a Hellcat 2018. The owner was a older guy. I think they say he was like 70 years old or something. Barely drove it. Only got 20,000 miles on it. And pop this hood real quick. Started for y'all also. Some more cooling in there. Man, run good, and even coming back from Tampa, it didn't do that bad on gas. I wasn't really hitting it like that. I was going probably like 80 miles per hour. But they filled it up for me before I left the dealership. And I filled it up one time and it still got around 3/4 of gas left. So did good on fuel as long as you ain't really hitting it like that. Came with 3 keys, 2 red keys, and 1 and black key. We got one of the red keys. So like I said, man, everything all original. Like the paint, great shape. I like how the wheels matching the paint. Got all the floor mats, the red trim around it matching the seats. And I even like how the red seats matching the dash. So once I seen this interior, I knew I had to get it. This is the only one that I seen on the East Coast. I seen, I think, one in Denver, Colorado, and then I seen one in California that had the red interior. But the outside was white on those, so this was the perfect color combo. So yep, got the Hellcat. About to sell the RT. And y'all stay tuned for mods and stuff I'll be doing with this one. I know I said I was gonna keep the RT, but talking to one of my partners, he got a Hellcat. And he kind of changed my mind on it. Then the fact they're gonna stop making them. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Stay locked in for the next one. Much love and God bless.